How to file taxes for beginners. Filing taxes can feel overwhelming for beginners, but breaking it down step by step makes the process manageable and much less stressful. In this video, we'll explore what it means to file your taxes, what documents you need, how to file, and the best practices to ensure accuracy and potentially maximize your refund. 1. Understanding what it means to file taxes. Filing taxes is your way of reporting your income, expenses, and other important details to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to determine what you owe in taxes, if any. Depending on your earnings and various credits or deductions, you might owe money, break even, or receive a refund. Tax returns reflect the financial activities of a specific year and must be filed annually by April 15th, or the next business day if it falls on a weekend or holiday. Second, gathering essential documents. Before diving into the filing process, it's crucial to gather all necessary documents. Here's what to look out for. Personal information. Have your Social Security number, SSN, and, if applicable, those of your dependents handy. Income documents. For most, this will include W-2 forms from your employer, SARIs. If you're a freelancer, contractor, or gig worker, you'll need 1099 forms. Deductions and credits. Collect any receipts or documents related to deductions, agnyas, student loan interest statements, property taxes, or medical expenses, and credits. Examples: child tax credit, educational credits. Bank account information. If you want any refund direct deposited, make sure to have your bank account and routing numbers. 3. Choosing how to file. There are multiple ways to file your taxes. Do it yourself, DIY. Online tax software like TurboTax, TaxSlayer, or H&R Block guides you through the process step by step. This method is great for straightforward tax situations. Use a professional. Tax professionals or certified public accountants, CPAs, offer expert guidance, especially if your taxes are more complicated due to investments, business income, or major life changes. Free File Program. If your income is below a certain threshold, you might qualify for IRS Free File. Fourth, filing process, step by step. Start by reporting your income. Input all your income sources, whether from W-2s, 1099s, investment accounts, or other means. Calculate deductions and credits. The standard deduction, available to everyone, simplifies the filing process by offering a flat rate deduction based on your filing status. Alternatively, you can itemize if it saves more money, e.g., large medical expenses, mortgage interest. Also, make sure to explore any applicable credits. Check your filing status. This can be single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying widow. Your status can impact your tax rates and available deductions. Determine your tax liability. Use IRS tax tables to find out what you owe or what's owed to you. Submit your return. You can submit electronically through e-filing, which is faster and more secure, or mail a paper return to the IRS. 5. Important things to keep in mind. Accuracy is key. Double-check your entries, particularly Social Security numbers, income, and deductions. Stay organized. Keep all tax-related documents for at least 3 years, as the IRS may audit your return within this period. Be aware of deadlines. Missing the filing deadline can lead to penalties. If you need more time, file for an extension using Form 4868. But remember that any tax due must still be paid by the original deadline. 6. Amending a return. Mistakes happen. If you realize you've made an error, you can amend your return by filing Form 1040X. Common reasons include missed deductions, credits, or unreported income. It's best to correct these promptly to minimize any potential interest or penalties. 7. Understanding refunds and payments. Refunds. If you overpaid taxes through withholding or estimated payments, you'll receive a refund. This can be direct deposited for speedier access. Owing taxes. If you owe, you'll need to pay by the deadline to avoid interest and penalties. The IRS offers payment plans if you cannot pay in full. 8. Tax filing scenarios to consider. Side income. If you had a side gig or freelance work, expect to receive a 1099 form. Self-employed individuals must also pay self-employment tax, Social Security and Medicare contributions. Life events. Marriage, buying a home, or having a child can significantly impact your tax return. Research any changes and how they affect your filing. Health coverage. You may need to prove you had health coverage to avoid penalties. This varies by state since the individual mandate was repealed federally. 9. Tips for maximizing your tax return. Contribute to retirement. Contributions to traditional IRAs or 401ks reduce taxable income. Health Savings Account, HSA. Contributions can be deductible if you're enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. Charitable donations. Track cash and non-cash contributions for possible deductions. 10. Common mistakes to avoid. Incorrect filing status. Double-check that you're using the correct one. Math errors. When filing by hand, math errors are a frequent issue. Not reporting all income. Omitting any form of income can lead to trouble with the IRS. 11. How to get help. If you're stuck, there are resources to assist you. The IRS website, www.irs.gov, offers plenty of guidance, or you can reach out to a tax professional. With these steps, you'll be on your way to filing your taxes confidently and accurately. Remember, while the process can seem complex, breaking it down and taking one step at a time ensures you meet your obligations and make the most of your tax situation. If you have more questions, reach out or seek professional guidance.